Have you ever seen something so amazing you couldn't believe your eyes? Today, we're going to learn about a miracle that happened long, long ago to a special man named Musa. Musa was a shepherd. Every day, he would take care of his sheep in the desert, walking under the hot sun and watching over his flock. He was kind and gentle with his animals. One day, while Musa was walking with his sheep near a mountain, he saw something very strange. There was a bush, and it was on fire. But here's the amazing part: the bush wasn't burning up. The flames danced and glowed, but the leaves stayed green. Musa was so curious. He thought, I must go closer and see this wonderful thing. So he walked toward the glowing bush, his heart beating fast with wonder. As Musa came near, he heard a voice. It was a divine voice calling to him from the bush. The voice told Musa to take off his sandals because he was standing on holy ground. The voice gave Musa an important mission. He was chosen to help his people and lead them to freedom. Musa was given special signs to show he was a messenger, including his shepherd staff that would perform miracles. And that's the story of Musa and the burning bush. It teaches us that miracles can happen when we least expect them, and that even ordinary people can be chosen for extraordinary things. Always keep your eyes open for the amazing wonders around you.